The key fob for 2014 to 2020 Nissan Rogue models uses a CR232 battery. A dead battery means you can't lock or unlock doors remotely or use remote start. Luckily, replacing it is easy and takes just 2 to 5 minutes. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver, coin, or pry tool. First, locate the small notch or button on the fob's edge. Gently pry open the two halves. Remove the old battery, noting the orientation. The positive plus side faces up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side up and snap the halves back together. Always dispose of old batteries properly. Always double-check the battery orientation. The positive side must face up when inserted to avoid malfunction. Using metal tools could short-circuit the battery and damage the fob. Avoid metal tools that could cause sparks or circuit damage. Annual battery checks are recommended, as depleted batteries cause many key fob issues. A 2025 survey shows 85% of DIY battery swaps for Nissan fobs are successful on the first try. As for the future, trends show a shift toward rechargeable batteries, reducing waste, and offering longer life. Future developments include integration with smartphone apps, potentially reducing reliance on physical fobs through Bluetooth technology. Always dispose of old batteries properly at a recycling center to prevent environmental harm and follow sustainability guidelines.